Hi, today we're going to cook ground pork with cellophane noodle. Uh, and that's the cellophane noodle. We're going to use about half a pound. I weighed it. It's about half a pound, So first you have to soak it in water, hot water, Okay. Just get some hot water in it, or you can boil some water and put it in there. So they're real easy to get soft. Get until you can check it and it's soft. So okay, so we let it soak for like around 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, or you can check it, see they are soft. Okay. All right, I think I can feel that thing. You can see that they are real soft. Kind of like that. So now you can see it's ready. See, then we're gonna drain the water. Just drain the water like that in there. If it's too long, we just cut it a little shorter. See like that, you can see, like that. And otherwise, they should be okay. Yeah. So just leave it here. So we're gonna start cooking. We're gonna use ground pork. I'm gonna use half a pound. So we turn on the heat. Some oil in it. Around a couple tablespoons of oil. Then we're gonna put the pork in it. See? Okay, and now you're gonna put the chop up garlic in it, about 1 tablespoon, and 1 tablespoon of chopped gingers. You're still using kind of like a medium high heat. Okay, then we're gonna put like 1 tablespoon of chili bean sauce in it. Okay, kind of spicy, a little spicy. Chili bean sauce. 1 tablespoon of chili bean sauce. 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. And 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. One teaspoon of sugar. Okay. Then we're gonna put the cellophane noodle in it. And after that, you're gonna put about 1.5 cup of chicken broth in it. If you don't use chicken broth, you can use just water. Be okay. So we put just put a little bit in it at a time. And it's 1 cup here. We're gonna put other half a cup in it. Let it cook it down and the cellophane noodle absorb the flour, the moist, the liquid. See, it's still kind of running a little bit here, so you wanna cook it down, you know. So you have to keep kind of turning it so they don't get sticky, you know. And now you turn on high heat, you know, that the heat can kind of dry it out. You see that the moisture is absorbed already, see? See, you can see them. Okay, then you put a bit of onions in it. I'm going to put half a tablespoon of sesame seed oil. Yeah. See, they're drying up pretty good. So you can see it. Let me put a few more onions in. You can see them, there are no juice right now. You see, it's getting pretty dry, see? And they don't sticky. You know, you don't want it too sticky. I think that's about done. Just a little bit more of soy sauce in it, so you can see a little bit better color. See? Okay, and you can turn it off right now. Yeah. Okay, so we'll. We put sriracha on the side. This is ground pork with cellophane noodle.